Hello everyone, it's Tony. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can assign another presenter to help you manage the breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. Previously, only the organizer could set up and manage the rooms. According to the Microsoft roadmap, this is due for release in October 2021. So it's coming very, very soon. Let's take a look. There are two ways to add presenter support. You can do it before the meeting by going into the appointment and then click Breakout Rooms. If the breakout rooms are not already created, then click here. Then go to Settings, and then from here you can add one or more presenters to help you manage the breakout rooms. You can also do it when the meeting starts by clicking Settings, and then from here you can select your Breakout Room Managers. Once in control, the Breakout Room Managers can perform these tasks. To learn more about Microsoft Teams, then watch this video here.